Hey guys, all right, so we are here at Okeeheelee Park once again for Okeeheelee Park Part 2. We're gonna go try to see the deer that we weren't able to see last time. Also gonna try to check out the BMX bike track, and I also wanna show you the construction that they're doing for the water park inside. So we're gonna go on, head on inside, so come on. All right, so now, oh, in case anybody's wondering who this is my friend Elliot. Say hi, Elliot.
Hello, world.
And so he's helping me out with some camera work, and also just so I can have somebody to talk to because I get lonely.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go and see if we can get a closer look at the construction for the water park that's going on right now. Okay, so like I was showing you guys before last time we were here, there's some construction going on right over there. And I spoke to a gentleman at the Nature Center, and he explained that there's a private company that leased that portion of the land at the park here in order to build a giant water park with slides and skiing. But it's not skiing behind boats, it's skis basically being dragged across the water by that crane up there. So they hook you onto a rope, and you hold on to it and stand on the skis, and it kind of drags you across the top of the water so you can ski and go up ramps and things like that. Sorry guys, so before I go over to the water park, I wanted to show you this over here. When you come to Okeeheelee Park, they have these little paddle board or paddle boats that you can rent out and go and paddle out onto the lake. Pretty cool. Check it out, guys, we found skiers. So we made a quick detour to watch some skiing. That's pretty cool. Go, go, go! So that is the BMX track right over there. You see it's kind of like the ramp, hilly parts of the track where it wraps around all the way around over there, and then they have some bleachers for people to sit and watch. Isn't anybody there now? I don't know what days that it's open and in use. But it's pretty cool that it's there. One of these days we'll come out when it's actually in use so you guys can see how that works. And it looks like that's gonna be the name of the water park when it's completed. Shark Wake Park, West Palm Beach. And then that's the layout for right there. All right, there. And details. Very cool. Can't wait till it's open. So we made it to the Nature Center once again, Okeeheelee Nature Center. We're gonna try to see if we can see those deer this time. I don't remember what times they're out, but it doesn't matter. We'll hang around, we'll check out some other stuff, and then we'll end it with visiting the enclosure and see if we can see some deer. And Nature Center. Okay guys, this is Alex. Alex is a great horned owl. Look how big she is. Alex is 19 years old, and she's been here at the Okeeheelee Nature Center for almost that entire 19 years. She had an owner, so she's never lived in the wild, and when the owner didn't want her anymore for whatever reason, he brought her here, and she's been here ever since, so she is a permanent resident. She's pretty. Little squirrels eating bird food. I don't think the birds appreciate that, guys. There's their bird feeder there, and then the food that's following. The squirrels are eating. Yeah. All right, so here we are once again on the nature trail at Okeeheelee Nature Center, attempting to find the deer enclosure once again. So wish me luck. I have help this time, Elliot, so that whole thing with two heads are better than one or whatever. So, but I have the map. Whichever comes first. But he said, I have the map again, but that didn't really help me last time. But I think we're gonna have better luck. We'll see. We did it. We found the enclosure. Now, hopefully we can find some deer. Okay, so this is the deer enclosure here. And it actually stretches for a couple miles from what I understand. But this is kind of the immediate area. And then right out there is where they have the automatic feeder. I'll try to zoom in on that. Yeah, there you go. So that's the automatic feeder there. Right there, that thing. And there's little bowls there. I'm assuming they probably put vegetables, lettuce, berries, and stuff like that. They're not out now because the feeding times are 12:30, 9:30, 12:30, and 3:30. And right now it's like 1:45. So we missed it again, but that's okay. We're going to come back. We're going to keep coming back until we can catch these deer. Look, guys, poison ivy.
Touch it.
Hell no. I've never seen poison ivy before. That's it. Look at that. Oh, I've never seen it up close. That's cool.
1 hour later.
All right, so we made a little pit stop for lunch at Faux Saigon to get ourselves some pho. Not really a strictly Florida thing, but it's just really good. This young man's never had it, so I'm gonna break him in and give him a new experience today. So yay, new experiences! All right. And then when it comes out, we'll show you guys how to put it all together and how to properly eat it. So stick around. Okay, and here is the pho, and this is a combination pho. It's pretty standard at any Vietnamese restaurant that has pho, and that has brisket, ribeye, tendon, tripe, and meatballs. And then this is extra tendon on the side because I really like tendon. Gives it that nice collagen-y, fatty consistency. And you have your limes, basil, bean sprouts, and jalapenos. I don't do the jalapenos, but I do everything else. And you just kind of add what you want there to taste. And over here you have your sauces, sriracha and hoisin. Those are two that I do. And I'm not sure what this is. Probably a sweet chili. And this is chili sauce, vinegar, salt, pepper. I just use the hoisin and the sriracha and lots of lime. And then Elliot got, what is this again?
Grilled chicken, white rice, and I actually don't know what they call this type of chicken, but it does taste like teriyaki.
Okay. And then
really
there's a fish sauce there for dipping or just pouring it over, and there's some kind of soup, I think. Like a miso soup or something. Yeah. Not sure. It's hot and it's liquidy. So that has been your Vietnamese dining instructional thing.
Many hours later.
Birthday vlog. So it is Amanda's birthday. Yes. So it's Amanda's birthday. So we are going to Cheesecake Factory, which is not an exclusively Floridian thing.
Not at all.
But we're doing it anyway because it's...
Cupid instead. No, I want.
How dare you. So we're going to do birthday at Cheesecake Factory for Amanda. So everybody say happy birthday, Amanda. Happy birthday, Amanda. That was everybody saying happy birthday.
Thank you to
you.
everybody.
Who said happy birthday? You're awesome. Also, we're going to be doing a shout out vlog to our many subscribers, all 27 of you. I'm saying that jokingly, but I mean it sincerely. We really appreciate every single subscriber that we have on YouTube. If it stays at 27, I'll appreciate every 27 of you for eternity.
All 27.
What did I say?
Every 27.
All 27 of you. I will appreciate you if it stays that way forever. God willing, it won't. But if it does, I'm okay with that because...
And we'll keep doing it.
Yeah, and we'll keep making these for you.
Because it's fun.
Either way, because you signed on for it, which means you enjoy it. So we're going to keep giving you what we love until I can't do it anymore. Hopefully I can keep doing it forever. So thank you guys so much, and food coming soon. Stick around. Bye.
Bye.
We're going in. Alright guys, so we've made it to dinner, and I think we waited probably about 15-20 minutes to be seated. It's a pretty busy night because it is a Friday night.
That's not bad for a Friday night.
So we're waiting to order our appetizers, and I'll give you a look at the menu in just a second. Alright, so this is the appetizer menu, and I'm only going to show you the appetizer menu because this is where we ordered from. So I ordered the stuffed mushrooms, the crispy Brussels sprouts, and the ahi tartare. And Amanda ordered the factory chopped salad. So we're basically just doing appetizers and salad tonight because we want to save room for dessert. Okay, so we just got our food. Right here we have the fried, crispy Brussels sprouts.
That's bacon on the top.
Yes, with bacon. Stuffed mushrooms. It's like cheese and wine and stuff. This is the ahi tuna tartare, which I'm super excited about because I haven't had tartare in so long. And it's Amanda's salad. Salad is boring, but she likes salad and it's her birthday, so...
It's an appetizer salad. Look how big that salad is.
I
for an
know.
appetizer.
It's a birthday salad. Yay, salad. Happy birthday. Let's dig in. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for us for this special birthday vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was a little bit different. Not Florida themed, but you know, we try to switch things up. If you guys dug it, let us know down in the comments. And while you're there, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notifications every time we load up a new video. And also follow us on Instagram and Twitter, as well as Facebook. All of those, The Wandering Floridian. I think that's going to do it for us. Make sure you wish Amanda a happy birthday, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.